What a totally normal day, nothing to unbox. All I have is this Neonlicious OMG doll and this Lady Diva doll. I have nothing to unbox. Nuh-uh, I have a surprise for you. No. Oh no, it's Lady Diva's surprise. Or Diva's surprise. Ah! Whoa! Whoa! What the? What is this? What is that? LL Surprise JK? What? 15 surprises, real hair, fashions, tall shoes. Huh? Oh my god. Neon Q.T Series 1 Mini Fashion Doll. Collect them all. Diva, MC Swag, Queen Bee, Neon Q.T. Whoa, I've never seen anything like this. Whoa, another one? Diva. Oh my god. Did they get into their big sister's clothes? It looks like it. Well, what are we waiting for? Oh, look! Oh, you can squish it. I think that's what the zipper is for, though. Yep, you pull it down, it squishes back to normal size. Let's try Diva. Same thing. And zipper up and down. Well, what are we waiting for? Let's get unboxing. Sneak peek of tomorrow's unboxing. Or should I say, bonanza. That's it. Let's get into the unboxing. Because that's what this channel is all about. Unboxing. Alexa's unboxing. Okay. Now, I am really looking forward to Neon Q.T, so I'm going to open her first. As LL Surprise JK, 15 surprises, real hair, real fashions, real tall shoes. Mini fashion doll. The side has LL Surprise JK on it. The other side has LL Surprise JK. And the doll's name, Neon Q.T. And it says extra, next level, and fierce. Okay, so what are we waiting for? I really want to open her, so let's get to the unboxing. Okay. As we can see on the back, here should be our doll. But I am feeling like I want to open her accessories first. So, we're going to pull this out. Oh, goes in the back. Look at her dressing room. It looks so cool. She has her big sister's mirror. Hold up. I forgot to show you the size comparison. You want to know the size comparison? Okay. Here is Neonlicious, her big sister, compared to the LOL Surprise JK. So it's almost the same height. Almost the same height as the OMG dolls. So, but now let's get into the unboxing. So, we're going to pull this out. She has the same mirror as her big sister. This is her big sister's purse. And her garment bags. And her accessories. Well, what are we waiting for? Let's get to it. Okay, I took the things out, so now I took this out, so now I'm going to take the garment bags out. And her accessory shoe boxes. Always have parental supervision while handling any type of sharp project or any type of sharp things. Even kid safety scissors, they're still sharp. They can cut you. So make sure you have parental guidance. Here's garment bag number 1. Garment bag number 2 has like little shapes on it, kind of like an illusion. An unbelievable bag. Here's her shoebox and her size. size. It says size 3.5. And they look really long just looking at the box. Here is the hat box. Now, I'm gonna wait to open the bags. I want to see the doll. Okay, let's see her. Sorry. Okay, let's see her. We got the JK, baby steps. Hold up. We don't want anything like that. Okay, it looks like she is a color changer. Oh no, Neonlicious fell over. Let's set her back up. Okay, let's take the sliding. Oh, she looks adorable. Look at her. Oh, let's take her out. Oh my god, she looks so cute. Even when you're done unboxing it, if you want to, save the box so you can play. With also the dressing room. Her stand just looks like her big sister's. We just need the piece that goes in it, which is in her box. Her hairbrush looks like her sister's too. It's just smaller. I got her stand out, so you can put it like that. Sorry, the camera cut off. Her hair is already messy. That's the only thing I don't like about the hair vibes and the hair goals, is that the hair gets messy right when you open the doll. I took her out of the box, and I just be from the static, so I'm just gonna brush her hair. And she looks so cute. She also comes with her signature 2 colored leggings. If you take her bodysuit off, they're still going to be top and bottom just like their big sisters. She has bangs, which feel like they have had gel put in them. And I'm going to put her on her stand while we open the garnet bags. Oh, it's pulling her suit. Perfect. Look at her. Okay, so now we're gonna open her garment bags. I'm gonna put, her stand likes to pop off, I can see. Oh, I can't deal with this. Okay, Lady Diva got knocked over, but we're just gonna set her back up. I'm gonna put her on top of her big sister's box. Or I can bring you down here. Here she is. I'm gonna open her shoes first, because I think they're gonna look so cute. Okay. Whoa, they're really platformy. Looks like someone put an acrylic nail in there and filled it with glitter. That's actually kind of cute. Like, no joke. Oh, they look so cute. And her shoes just look like her big sister's shoes. She wants to be, because these dolls want to be like their big sisters. Tomorrow we're also gonna go toy hunting. But I'm gonna open her hat box. she comes with a little tiny bracelet. Do you see that? Oh, that's so cute. Her signature glasses, except now they're hearts. They used to be circles. Her cute cat ears. I love them. They're so cute. Everything's so cute about LOL Surprise. And a little backpack with wings on it. Okay, so since I already have these out, I'm gonna open it, see what's inside. Oh my goodness. Look at the new bottle. Look at this bottle. I've never seen it before. Juice, 100% juice. Oh my goodness. And you can still fill it with water. That's so cool. Okay, so let's open her garment bags. We gotta be really careful because I'm saving all the garment bags I get. One second. Not gonna lie, I actually spent like 10 minutes trying to get the hanger out of there. But we got a little skirt with a little thing. Recycle with TerraCycle. Not sponsored, by the way. Okay, her hanger is like neon, see-through. And she has a cute little skirt. Oh, I forgot to tell you. The patterns aren't the same, but she has the same like color of the bodysuit as her big sister, Neonlicious. So I just found that out. Okay, we're gonna open the other garment bag now. Oh, this one is hard to get out. Okay, that one was actually faster. Oh, because the outfit didn't come on the hanger. So fashionable. Can you see it? I can't see it. No, I can't see it. Oh. That's actually so cute. Look at that. Okay, I'm gonna get her dressed. 1 second. I'm not gonna lie, I spent like an hour trying to get the shoes on. Okay, so I didn't put her backpack on just because it's not even gonna show because of her long hair. So I'm just gonna have to put the bracelet on and we're gonna open Diva. If this skirt had like Velcro, I would definitely like this doll more. Here is her final look. Now it's time to open Diva. I forgot to say, Neon Q.T is definitely EXTRA. Okay. This box is basically the same, just a different doll and a different key. And hers dressing room is already coming out, but here's her look. Same thing, zippers up, down. Okay, so I'm gonna open this again. Her mirror is just like her big sister's as well. And I'm gonna get the garment bags out because this video is ending up very long. Okay, I'm gonna get these unboxed or just out of this thing. And oh wait, no, what happened? Okay, and voila! Oh wait, you can see it. Here we go. We're gonna unbox the doll first, so we're gonna put this to the side. Here she is. Here is her brush, the two parts of her stand, and the stand put together. Very mad because the tag is legit stuck in her hair and I cannot get this out. She has an undersuit, as you can see. Now let's put her on her stand so we can open her things. Here she is on her stand. Let's open her shoebox. I don't know what that is, but okay. Let's take the shoes out. Whoa. These look more even taller than Neon Q.T shoes. Look at the size of that heel. Let's open her hat box. She has a headband, a microphone, a little chain, and some glasses. The dolls do color change, but since I do not have ice, we will not be using that feature. Let's open her unbelievable bag, which most likely will have her bottle. I was right. So now these are the new style bottles. I like the old style better, but these look more realistic. So here's her bottle. Let's open her garment bags. Okay, these garment bags are a little bit easier, but in the first one I opened, we got this huge skirt with a belt buckle. I forgot to talk about the garment bags. Okay, this is like snake skin, just like that. And it feels like the OMG garment bags. And they feel a little more plasticky. Next bag. Little fur jacket that looks like the same material as her big sister's jacket. I found this in the bag too. I'm gonna get her dressed and then we'll be right back. On the picture, it shows her wearing it on her arms, but this thing won't fit on her arms. Well, this piece totally makes sense. I swear, if I don't get these shoes on, I'm gonna throw this doll across the room. It's like her foot is twisted. It won't come on. Like, no matter what I do. One shoe on, another stubborn shoe to go. I am done. No, I am not done because this shoe just fell off. She's the most stubborn doll ever. Okay, so I got both of them compared to their big sisters. They're about to their waist length. With the stands, I'm pretty sure without the stands, they will be about probably still near the waist length. But that's it for this video because it's getting very, 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 very long. And I need to start filming the next video tomorrow for the toy hunt. And, oh, I forgot to tell you, here's the size difference. So if we put her as like she was on a stand, she'd probably go to about her neck. Okay, that's the difference. Bye. I hope you like that. Oh, by the way, my favorite is Neon Q.T. Bye.